What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Let me close these doors real quick. Oh yeah. So we're gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently we're seeing how does that look. Wow, one of them came back open again. Apologies for the delay. We're going to go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 63 cents. We're up 2% on the day. See, market up 5.93 billion. 24-hour volume increased to 527 million. So let's hop into the charts. So here's what I think is likely. That we're looking to come down to complete this wave C. As you can see, we came down wave A, wave B, wave C. Came down 1, 2, and then we saw the swift dump. And I'm looking at a wave 3. So we're going to zoom into the 1 hour time frame. So we're looking for a wave 4 pullback. This is the target zone. We've already reached the target zone. So just watch this small channel. If it starts to break, that could be the first indication of coming down in the wave 5. The max retracement for this pullback for a wave 4. Oh, come on, Jax. Is the 50% retracement, which is coming in at about 70 cents. If we were to break above that, then you could consider a low being in. I don't think that's the more probable scenario. I think it's likely we come down and fill this wick and create a little bit of a lower low. We are in our pullback zone here for the wave 2. So what we're looking at, leading diagonal wave 1, coming back in a wave 2. And currently, let me pop it over to the daily chart. We're sitting in between the 78.6 and the 50% fib level. We broke below the golden ratio. But we are back above it. I do think we will create that lower low and possibly touch the 78.6 at 45 cents. No, I was not expecting us to come this low, but the SEC crackdown dumped a bunch of the altcoins. Sometimes that's going to happen with news. So that's what we're looking at for our friend Matic. As you can see it better on this chart here. Came right down, broke the golden ratio, came all the way down to some support. We had some support of this area of about 52 cents. So I do think it's likely we fill that wick, create a little bit of a lower low before seeing continuation to the upside. Looking at ETH, it's following our wave count, looking to complete that wave Y. Within the wave Y is an A, B, C. And within the wave C is 5 waves. So we got rejected from our wave 2 pullback zone, came down impulsively in our wave 3, pushed up to our wave 4 rejection zone. So far, we're seeing a rejection. And the potential micro count could be a 1 into a 2. Just remember that these micro counts can change easily. But if we see continuation, then we'll be looking for a 3, 4, 5 to take us down to our target around 1640. Obviously, there's a larger target zone. If I zoom out here, so we pushed up in a wave 1. As you can see here in yellow, we pulled back in a 2. So if we take that fib retracement, we can give the target zone for the wave 2 pullback. So you can see my target lines up pretty close with the golden ratio. We can come all the way down to the 78.6 fib level, but I think it's likely somewhere in between about 1557 and about 1640. There is a lot of support in this area. That's when we'll see the reversal back to the upside for our friend ETH. Complete the WXY, complete the wave 2, see continuation to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. We're retesting this inverse head and shoulders, so do watch that trend line. We are starting to break below it a little bit here. Weekly EMAs. Oh, what happened to my Wi-Fi? Come on, bruh. Don't do this to me now. Let me quickly turn on my hotspot. Okay, it just came back. So if we take a look at the weekly EMAs, we are just underneath them. As I mentioned in my Bitcoin video, we may stay a little bit underneath them for a short time, but I do think we will hold them and see that continuation to the upside. All right, gang, so we are looking for rejection from the zone 4 Matic and coming down at a wave 5. As I mentioned, if we break the 50% retracement, I think it's less probable, but anything is possible. Then we could look at a potential low being in. So if you want a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis, all you have to do is sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. And these exchanges don't operate in the U.S., so the chance of a SEC lawsuit is slim in my opinion. They're great exchanges. Once you make your first deposit, it takes 2 minutes. Just email me or sign up email, and I will give you a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all place forex signals analysis as well. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.